Surat al-Muzammil, chapter of the heavily burdened. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, O thou heavenly burdened one, stay up half the night except a little, half of it, or a little less, or a little more, and arrange the Qur'an distinctly. Lo, we shall cast upon thee a weighty word. This beginning of the night is strongest in impression and most just in speech. Verily thou hast in the daytime long toil, but remember the name of thy Lord and devote thyself entirely to him. Lord of the East and the West, there is no God but he. So choose him as thy trustee, and have patience under what they say, and withdraw from them gracefully. Leave me with those who count it false, though they are prosperous, and give them respite a little. Lo, we have at hand chains in a hot place, and food that chokes, and punishment painful, on the day when the earth and the mountains shall quake, and the mountains shall become a soft heap. Verily we have sent to you a messenger as a witness over you, as we sent to Pharaoh a messenger, but Pharaoh opposed the messenger, so we seized him hurtfully. How then will ye protect yourselves if ye disbelieve from a day which makes the children gray-headed, by which the heavens will be split, of which the promise has come to be fulfilled? Lo, this is a reminder, and he who wills chooses to his Lord a way. Verily thy Lord knoweth that thou remainest up nearly 2/3 of the night, or half of it, or a third of it, and a party of those with thee likewise, and Allah disposeth of the night and the day. He knoweth that ye will not count it up, so he has relented towards you. So recite what may be convenient for you of the Qur'an. He knoweth that some of you will be sick, and others beating about in the land, seeking the bounty of Allah, and others fighting in the cause of Allah. So recite what is convenient of it, and observe the prayer, and pay the zakat, and lend to Allah goodly loan, and good which ye send forward for yourselves, you will find with Allah that is good and very great in reward, and acts pardon of Allah. Verily Allah is pardoning, compassionate. Now, we see sort of a limit implied, right? That, half the night is your sleep. So, but if you do extra, that's fine. But one of the things that may be implied to you that's not, so you recite the Quran distinctly and measure that sort of thing. So you form it, it says reciting the Quran, so you recite it in its right order, Now, some people recite bits and pieces and then over, but, don't rearrange the chapters like Richard Bell apparently did. And of course, the praying the whole night thing is not obliged. It's just, give a third of that to sleep, or half it to sleep, or 2/3 to sleep. And people want to join you for voluntary prayers, they join you for voluntary prayers. In Ramadan, one of the things that happened in the past was that Muhammad went off in secret because he didn't want people to think that the prayer was going to be, that this extra prayer was going to be obliged. The Taraweeh. That's a lot.